Finally, OnePlus have started rolling out first open beta based on Oxygen OS 11 for OnePlus 8 series. In this video, we'll show you how to install it on your OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So here you can see I have my OnePlus 8 and you need to manually install Oxygen OS 11 Beta 1. First you have to download the file and place it inside the internal storage. It's a full zip file and the size of it is 2.73 GB. Once you download the file format will be .zip.jar. You need to rename the file and remove .jar from the end. Later save it. After that the file format will be .zip. Once you are done with that, go to settings, system update and tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and you should see the file which is Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 1. And also guys, before installing, make sure your device is charged more than 30% and also make sure to take backup of your device. Let's tap on the file, tapping on install. Installation might take around 4 to 5 minutes. And all the download links are given in the description below. You can download the file. So once installation process is completed, you can tap on reboot. So our device have been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information by going inside the settings, about phone, and here you can see a new clean UI of about section where device name is OnePlus 8, Android version is Android 11, build number is Open Beta 1 and security patches 1st September 2020, build date is 8 September. And also guys, if you are installing Open Beta, for better performance it's always recommended to do a factory reset after the installation. In this video we'll be checking out what all new features have been added. I've also made a dedicated video on all features of Oxygen OS. I'll leave that video in the description below, you can check that out. So there are lots of UI changes done here. This is your notification panel which gives you a few more details like date, time, day, your device status. And here we have the settings panel which can be easily accessed from one hand. Talking about the launcher version is version 5.0 which was available on developer preview 4. Camera version have been slightly updated and now version is version 5.4.89. Slow motion video recording is still limited to 480 fps. We have new focus tracking feature and smart scene recognition. You'll see a major change with the applications like phone app, weather application, gallery and messaging app. Now let's talk about the change logs of Oxygen OS 11 Beta. So here we have a complete list of changes which are related to system, game space, ambient display, dark mode, zen mode and gallery. Talking about the first one which says fresh new UI design brings you more comfortable experience with various optimizations of details. So as I said, a lot of UI changes have been done with Oxygen OS 11 for OnePlus 8 series. We have already covered almost all the new features added with Oxygen OS 11. Then brand new weather UI, dynamic switch between sunrise and sunset, and along with this we also have a new live wallpaper. On developer preview we also had a static wallpaper which has been now removed and we have this live wallpaper, and this is not only live wallpaper, it also changes color as per the time. And then they have done few optimizations related to brightness bar in the status bar. Talking about the next change log which is related to game space. So here also I have made a dedicated video on that in which they have added a new feature of mistouch prevention and a new gaming toolbox. So let's go inside game space application, tapping on settings, and here you can see we have a new gaming tool option and a mistouch prevention feature. I'll leave that video link in the description below. You guys can check that out, in which I have done a detailed explanation of both the features. Then finally OnePlus have added the most awaited feature which is always on display, which can be found inside the settings, display, ambient display, and here we have always on display, where you can also set the custom time or keep it always on throughout the day. And for always on display they have added new clock style which can be found inside the customization settings under clock styles. So there are total 10 clock styles available, and the new one which they have added is Insight, which will show you all the details, how much you have used your device, and the empty space on this bar will let you know how much you haven't used your device. So it's a cool feature you guys can try out, and always on display have been working pretty great. Talking about the next changelog which is related to dark mode, where they have added a quick setting toggle to enable dark mode, which can be found inside your quick setting panel. You can directly activate dark mode from here, and if you want you can also schedule the dark mode by going inside the settings, display, dark mode, where we have options like manual, turn on automatically, and few apps which don't support dark mode. List of those apps can be found here, but still you can force them to adapt to dark theme. Talking about the next changelog, which is related to Zen mode, here they have added 5 new themes, which is Ocean, Space, Grassland, Zen Space 1 and Zen Space 2. Also they have included a group feature in Zen mode, by which you can invite your friends and enable the Zen mode together. So Zen mode can be found in the quick setting panel, and here we have all the new 5 themes. And Zen mode duration have also been increased, where we get max up to 120 minutes. And here you can see you can invite your friends by creating or joining other room. And now talking about the last changelog, which is related to gallery, which says supporting story function automatically from weekly videos with photos and videos in the storage. So this feature you can only see after using a device for a week. Once you continuously start using OxygenOS 11, gallery will automatically show you the stories. So guys, these were the complete changelogs of OxygenOS 11. I'll be using it as daily driver, and if I found out any new features which we haven't covered till now, I'll update you guys with a new video. Talking about the benchmark results, with Geekbench application, single core have scored 801 and multi-core have scored 3151. With Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 5,87,638. So guys, that's it in today's video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.